Here I have Porsche Panamera, and on this example I will show you how to change language in Porsche cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this standard screen of all Porsche cars. On the left side you can here navigate by using different sections. Let's scroll down to choose here car. As you can see, this is the icon with the car. Let's just tap it. And here we are in car section. So now let's choose control on the left side, and if you tap control with the gear icon, we've got access to the following settings. Let's choose here at the bottom the third one, which is system. Select system, and under system you've got a few things that you can change. So one of them, as you can see, is language. Let's tap language, and this is the full list of available languages that you can use on your Porsche car. As you can see, you can choose Deutsch, English, Español, so this is the Spanish version, French, Polish, and more. This is the whole list. Of course, it may depend on the system that you are using. Right now I've got the Europe version, so I've got almost all European languages that I can choose. So for example, let me switch my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap Español, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings is in Spanish. So let's check out the following screen. If you would like to go back to previous version, simply choose here the idioma. Let's tap idioma, and from idioma let's find here and select English. As you can see, this is the English, and right now you just simply open the English version of your car. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.